A cloudy, dry start this morning and then brightening up with sunny spells later. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Tuesday.
It is warming up as we head through the next few days. Here's the details. Yes, today will be pleasant when we get the sunshine later on, but tomorrow will be the warmest day of the week and we will get to 21 degrees Celsius, which is way above the average for the time of year. Here's the why, and it comes with a bit of a caveat, because it also turns wetter. The winds come from a southerly direction. That brings in a band of rain along with this milder air, and then successions of weather fronts sweep through as we head through the next few days. But before we get there, today doesn't look too bad. It is largely dry. Yes, it starts off pretty cloudy, and then we'll see some sunshine developing later. So this is how it looks first thing this morning. It's largely fine and clear for most areas, across northern areas where it's pretty chilly. Cloudy to start in the south where it is mild. Cloudy enough to produce some outbreaks of rain and drizzle, and misty, murky start to the day in the south. The legacy of yesterday's rain gives that moisture. So the far north of Scotland, the best of the sunshine. Elsewhere, sunny spells developing. When we get that sunshine breaking through, temperatures 14 or 15 in the north and 17 to 18 degrees in the south, but warmer still tomorrow. So this is where Andy Pieces is in Singapore at the moment. Showers never too far away. And if we just zoom out on our map and take a trip right across the world, he is 6,741 miles away from us. And as we jet back to the UK, weather for us today for Wales and the southwest. And then here comes some rain later. So how do things pan out as we head through the next 7 days? Let's take a look at our outlook. So first of all, we focus across the north of the UK and looking at our temperatures. And they're sitting just a little above average through the next few days. A little cooler by next week. Percentage chance of rainfall across the north of the UK, largely fine today. Those weather fronts move in, bringing rain for tomorrow, but the weekend is one of yet more rain, so pretty wet across the north. Fortunes further south for England and Wales as we head through the next 7 days. It is mild. Tomorrow's our peak in temperature, 20, maybe 21 degrees Celsius, but moderating for the rest of the week. Today, largely fine and dry. Tomorrow, Thursday, look like we have these heavy rain bands of showers coming in. Drier for Friday, but then more wet weather and showers arriving as we head into the weekend. Good morning to you. After a wet day for some of us yesterday, today is looking that bit drier. And now there is change coming through the next few days because weather fronts move up from the south. So after a dry day today, it's looking wetter tomorrow. Successions of weather fronts moving through the weekend. But you'll notice that it comes from a southerly direction, and that means it will turn warmer. Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. Yesterday was cloudy and wet for many of us, but today is drier and eventually it will be brighter. A bit of a cloudy start first thing this morning, particularly through England and Wales. The legacy of yesterday's moisture means it's misty and murky, but bright skies greet us for northern England and Scotland. Through the day today, we have this southerly... Welcome back to Good Morning Britain. You'll notice how things feel a little bit warmer today, but warmer still tomorrow as our air comes up from the south. But with this southerly feed of air, a lot of cloud arrives around today, particularly with the moisture left behind from the rain we had yesterday. The satellite picks out a lot of cloud. There's rain in the far southwest. And at the moment, the clearest skies across the north of Scotland and northeast England, where they stay all day. So with this southerly feed of air, southern and western coast always cloudiest, extensive mist and hill fog through Wales and northern England. But for northern areas, the best of any sunshine today. And here, temperatures rising to 13, 14 degrees across Scotland, but with some glimmers of brightness in the southeast, 18 degrees. Here comes a band of rain across Wales and the southwest of England this evening. It then moves its way across the whole country overnight tonight. So by tomorrow morning, it is a cloudy start to the day, a wet one, a misty, murky one, and a mild one starting between 11 and 14 degrees. And then tomorrow it stays cloudy and wet, particularly for western areas, but in the east and the sunshine up to 20 degrees.